So we're gonna be looking at defense from a headlock, right? So Mike put me in a headlock. So the first thing when I'm in a headlock, right? Again, I wanna lower my center of gravity. Again, I never wanna stay up straight. In anything we do, you always see your footwork, your balance, your posture is so important. The lower you are, the stronger you are in your feet, the harder you are to move in the moral control you have. So the first thing I want to do is lower myself. The second thing I want to do is I want to tuck in my head, that if he decides to let go of the hand and punch me, my head is not exposed. It's inside. If I do take a punch, I take it on top of the forehead, right? Let's come a little bit more here. So I'm going to lower myself. Grab the headlock here. Grabbing the headlock, I'm going to lower myself. The next thing I want to do is trap the hand here. And here, I'm gonna take this hand, I'm gonna go into the eyes, and look, I'm gonna push with the hip forward, right? So grab me tight, Mike. So if I'm here, right? So he put me in a headlock, Mike, you're here, boom. I lower it, I stick into the eyes, now watch. Even if he tries to resist, so I'm doing two things at the same time. One, I'm eye gouging by sticking my fingers in his eyes. The second thing I'm doing is I'm driving the hip up. Now, I also don't like that this arm is here, right? So I need to move and establish that chest to back or a better position. So if I'm here, do it again, Mike. If I'm here, I lower myself and I do this. From there, I'm gonna go into the eyes, but I need to move that hand out of that arm out of the way. Now look at me, I have chest to back. From here, I can grab his hair, I can buck this way, I can elbow behind the head, I can stick my thumb in his eyes, I can push him back. I have a much better control, okay? Go again, Mike. So once I'm here, lower your center of gravity, tuck in your head, and come around. Mike, try, even if you try to resist, try, Mike. If I do this, I'm not even putting power. Now, knowing that the wall is back here, what I would do is boom, and slam his head down, right? Here, right? I also have the option, if I wanted to, give me a little bit of resistance, Mike. If I'm here, I also have the option. Let's say he didn't let go. Let's say we're still here. I can, boom, strike low. Boom, strike the throat. Throw an elbow. But what I really want you to do as quickly as possible is move that arm out of the way. Now look where I'm at. Chest to back. If I go boom, he's on the ground. Best place for you to be is me standing him on the ground. So you have two important lessons and options in this, right? Now, if he starts to throw, put me in a headlock again, Mike. If I'm here and he decides to throw the punch, I need to bring my hands up to block. And if I could, I'll use this hand over here to intercept and here to trap. So now, try to punch me, Mike. He can't. From there, boom, boom. I'm gonna come around here and I'm controlling. Oh, he got my leg, it's fine. Look at that, boom, he's down, right? So if you see him go for the punch, I'm gonna try to bring up the hands. I'm gonna use this arm here to try to block, and this one as well. I really don't wanna get punched in the head from here. And that's why I say tuck in the head, go slow, Mike. I'm either gonna here or here, but trap that arm. And from there, if I'm here and he's still, give me resistance. If he's still here, I'm having a hard time. Boom, 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 I'll strike, look. Strike the balls, come in here, boom, here. And as fast as possible, now I know from here I can buck him, or boom, now I have a good position. If you notice, I'm always using the blade of my forearms. I'm always sticking to him, like glue. I'm never giving him any distance, because that distance gives him openings, right? You feel I'm always pressure on you. I'm always applying pressure, and Mike is bigger, taller, weighs more than me. But I'm always applying my entire body behind every strike. And I'm always sticking to him, that when he moves, I move with him, and he's carrying that weight every single time.